This is the new O2 sensor that I replaced for my Hyundai Elantra. Pretty simple process. I needed to use a special socket. Basically it's called O2 sensor socket. Actually I lended from AutoZone. Probably after a while I'm gonna return it. You have 90 days to return it for all of your money back. Anyway, I make another video as far as you can get free tools from AutoZone. From Rockauto, the part number and the description will be listed under the description on this video. Anyway, so far the check engine light is clear, but I only drove my car for like 19 miles, so I need to drive a little bit more to see if check engine light gonna come back or no. And I'm gonna keep the original box that I got from Rockauto just in case I need to return it if this doesn't work. So I pay about 100 and actually the part was like 90 or $99 plus shipping, like $5.99. Priority shipping, 2-day shipping, which is a pretty good deal. So I got it within a couple days, and I replaced it, my old O2 sensor, my upstream with this. So anyway, I'll show you the description and the link to the website, Rockauto. Well, I bought a cheaper part from eBay, and it didn't work, so I had to return it for a full refund. So I think I was lucky one time when I got a few years back for my Hyundai Accord, 2001 Hyundai Accord. I got a sensor from them that worked. I don't remember, for like $100 versus from a dealer maybe $200-300. So I tried to do again, ordering from eBay, but it didn't work this time. So I would go with reputable supplier like Rockauto, or if you want, you can always get it from a dealer. And so far Rockauto parts seems to work okay, but it's too early to tell anyway. So stay away from eBay, I guess. And funny thing, I look at the eBay part and it didn't have any part number or anything like that. I mean, it didn't say where it made from. It's probably make in China. So anyway, I'll keep you guys updated later in probably a few days after driving for like 100 or 200 miles. Okay, I'll see you later.